She's got this melody that's ringing inside of me. Wish that I could have something as beautiful as her, but I know these things are not meant to be. Tell me, girl, are you happy with who you are? Do you see that you have something that's magical? I can't tell you from the rest of this crowded bar, but I can tell that you have something that's magical. And I can't help but listen with a new sense of hopefulness, 'cause I'm wanting to know if you can save me from emptiness. Tell me, girl, do you notice me, notice you? 'Cause I'm wanting you. Do you see the way that I'm seeing you? 'Cause I want something new. Yes, I am wanting you. See the way that you're capturing all the good inside that still resides in me. Do you recognize the way that you're fostering all the good inside I thought had gotten free? 'Cause I can't help but listen with a new sense of hopefulness. Yes, I'm wanting to know if you can save me from emptiness. Tell me, girl, do you notice me, notice you? 'Cause I'm wanting you. Do you see the way that I'm seeing you? 'Cause I want something new. Yes, I am wanting you. Tell me, girl, do you notice me, notice you? 'Cause I'm wanting you. Do you recognize the way I'm now seeing you? 'Cause I want something new. Tell me, girl, do you notice me, notice you? 'Cause I'm wanting you. Tell me, girl, do you notice me, notice you? 'Cause I want something new. Yes, I am wanting you. Here we go again. I'm confused for how it went, and I'm left with so many questions that I'd like answered now. But you don't fucking care, and I can't help but wonder who is underneath the covers, and what else can I do? 'Cause loneliness never hurt quite as much as you, and I'm glad that we're through, but I want you to hurt for a little while. And everything that I did, trying to pull you through, well, I guess that I knew, but I want you to hurt for a little while. Convenient how you act, like you never did a thing. Well, I'm telling you, the butter's melted, and you're no angel girl. But you don't seem to show emotions I'd expect. and I'm left with so many issues that I'd like dealt with now. 'Cause loneliness never hurt quite as much as you, and I'm glad that we're through, but I want you to hurt for a little while. And everything that I did, try to pull you through, well, I guess that I knew, but I want you to hurt for a little while. 'Cause loneliness never hurt quite as much as you, and I'm glad that we're through, but I want you to hurt for a little while. And everything that I did, try to pull you through, well, I guess that I knew, but I want you to hurt for a little while. And everything that I did, try to pull you through, well, I guess that I knew, but I want you to hurt for a little while.